again, and this time I'm going to explain to you how to do passive voice with past simple tenses. Okay? So let's have a look. First of all, you have to remember passive voice is really we are focusing on the action, not really who does the action. So let's have a look here. Okay, remember for passive voice we always need to have was or were, which is past simple of the verb to be, and then a past participle of the verb that we're going to use. Let's have a look at an example here. My friend wrote a book yesterday. As you can see, the word wrote is in the past. So always you have to have the new subject, whatever is after the verb. In this case, the new subject is going to be a book. Okay? And then you have to think about book. I, you, he, she, it. We, you, they. Oh, book is it. So after a book, I need to use was, never were. Okay? So a book was. And then you have to think about the verb. The verb has to be in past participle. Remember? In past participle. So because wrote, obviously, is an irregular verb. Write, wrote, written, third column. That's what we have to add afterwards. A book was written. And then we are going to write whatever is after the book, in this case, yesterday. If you know the person, my friend, my brother, Tom, Mary, you need to add the preposition by and then obviously the name. So now the sentence is a book was written yesterday by my friend. You're focusing really on the action. Let's have a look at another example. Someone stole my glasses. So straight away you can see that the word stole, is in past simple. And what is after the verb, we have my sunglasses, is going to become now my new subject. Okay, so my glasses. What is my glasses? I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Oh, my glasses is they. In your head, you have to think about they. So my sunglasses were, because you have to use always, the verb to be in the past, were stolen. Again, remember, past participle, steal, stole, stolen, the third column. Okay, if it was a regular verb, you have to use obviously that verb with ed at the end, like played, washed, watched with ed, and so and so. I hope you understood the explanation, and when I give you some exercises to do at home.